you and your cheesy jokes, Katie.
Well, I appreciate that someone does.
Do you have a genius forecast for us?
Well, it depends how you look at it. And I think it depends who you ask as to whether you're jazzed about anytime we talk about snow. Since this does happen on a Friday and especially into the afternoon, the kids probably aren't quite as excited because it doesn't necessarily mean you're going to be getting out of school early. You certainly aren't going to get the entire day off. The morning is quiet right now, and here at Whitfield Elementary School, school will be in session. So we're expecting to see some cold settle in here. It's already out there, and then eventually the snow will burst through. There's not much to actually track just yet with the snow that's on the way. It looks like you've got things that are coming our way, but neither of these disturbances are what actually brings the snow today. There's an area of surface low pressure that will be blossoming with time over the mid-Atlantic. That's what's going to get things going for us, and all of a sudden you're just going to see snow burst out on the radar shortly after lunchtime. So the timeline is this: as early as 1 o'clock and it's up until about 3, that snow is going to start to move in. Now it moves in actually from west to east, but you're actually going to see the heaviest snow through the southeastern half of the region, and generally just in time for the typical evening rush too. So the timing is pretty poor on this one. 8 to 11 o'clock tonight is when all of it tapers off from west to east, but we are going to be left at that point with anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of snowfall in this dark shaded blue area. So that does include part of Gloucester, Camden, down to Cape May County. You're going to the beach maybe for the weekend. You'll encounter some decent snow accumulation there. Even in Philly, we could see up to 2 inches, but it's more like a quick coating as you go further to the north and west, where the snow will be much lighter, even though this is where it starts in those areas. Now, meanwhile, looking ahead, the weekend looks pretty tame. Perhaps there's a wintry mix that takes place on Saturday, or rather Sunday night. That would be Sunday night, but that even still is just a chance. The warming trend continues, though. We're all the way up to 50 degrees. Meet you by Tuesday.